Hello dear student of class 6. Welcome to DEV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manish sir, and today we are going to learn about Christianity. Dear student, Jesus was the founder of Christian religion we know. Christianity is based on the life and teaching of Jesus Christ. He was born in Bethlehem. So, what is Christianity? Christianity is a religion that based upon the teaching and miracles of Jesus of Nazareth. Christianity teaches that there is only one God all existence that created anything from beginning of creation. So this is Christianity. And Jesus was the founder of Christian religion. So dear student, Jesus was the founder of Christian religion we know. Jesus was born in Bethlehem, a village of Jerusalem. His father's name was Mary and his foster father was Joseph. We do not know much about his early life up to 30 years except that he worked along with his father, a carpenter in Nazareth near Bethlehem during this period. Jesus preached that there is only one God. He gave his message to the people in simple language, in the form of stories. Dear student, he emphasized that God is the great healer and he loves his people just as Father loves his children. Means there is only one God. He was fearless, means Jesus was fearless and spoke freely against the existing evils of the society. Some of Orthodox people and the rich became his enemies. He called himself the King of Jews, so he was considered as a rebel by Roman rulers. He was then nailed to a cross and killed. Since then, the cross has become the sacred symbol of Christian. Dear students, see. This cross became the sacred symbol of Christianity. Means he was considered as rebel by Roman rulers. He was then nailed to cross and killed. Since then, the cross has become the sacred symbol of Christian. The sacred of his death is called as the Good Friday. This is the church, the sacred and worship place for the Christianity. So dear student, Good Friday and prayer offer on this day. It is believed that Jesus Christ came back to life after 3 days and then left for his heavenly abode. This event is celebrated as Easter every year. It is in April month. The birth of Christ is celebrated all over the world 25th of December every year as Christmas. It is the biggest festival of all the Christians. The Christian era started from 1st CE, Common Era. So these are the major Christian holidays. So see, the Christmas celebration in Europe, all the city lighten. Dear student, the Jesus Christ was born to serve the purpose of God, love for the sick and the old, to remove sin from the world, to hate the sin but not the sinner. The holy book of Christian is Bible, and this Bible has 2 parts, Old Testament and New Testament. Dear student, in Old Testament it contains the history of the religious beliefs of the Jews. Means Old Testament contains the history of the religious beliefs of the Jews, and New Testament contains the biography and teaching of Jesus Christ. New Testament contains the biography and teaching of Jesus Christ. So this is all about the Bible. So I hope, dear student, you understand today's topic. So here there's some assignment questions on today's topic. So you should write these questions in your notebook with its answer properly. I hope you understand today's Christianity topic. So dear student, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead, and thank you for making me a part of your day.